Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video, we will be doing the battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A04, and this is a new budget phone from Samsung which is costing around 43,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have a 3GB of RAM with a 64GB of internal storage. On the back, we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back. On the bottom, we have a USB Type-C which support 15 watt fast charging, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 SoC, and this phone has a massive 5000 mAh battery size. So guys, now let's quickly show you the charger and the cable that we are getting with the Samsung Galaxy A04 right out the box. So here is our box. So inside of this box, we have a 15 watt adaptive fast charging, as you can see. Also we have our cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. So guys, let me show the battery percentage on this phone. This phone, it is at 1%, and the phone, it is automatically turned off. So let's quickly start the test first. Now let's insert the USB-A into the charger, and guys, and this is a 15 watt fast charger. So now let's insert the charger into the socket like this. And guys, also now let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy A72, and I will be using the A72 as a stopwatch. So now let's insert the USB Type-C into the phone. So this phone now start charging. So let's quickly start the stopwatch as well. So the battery percentage on this phone, it is at 0%. So one thing it is also really important is that, and the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature. So right now, and the temperature in this room, it is about 22 degrees Celsius. So if you are charging your phone in high temperature, and the result will be different. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. We only have a 15 watt fast charging, which is an upgrade over 7.8 watt on the previous A03. So guys, now I will be back at 30 minutes. So let's see how much this phone is charged in the first half hour. Okay guys, and 30 minutes is complete. So now let's see battery percentage on the A04. So the battery percentage, it is at 26%. So this one is charged 26% in 30 minutes of battery charging. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And guys, you can see that every single thing it is off on this phone. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no location on. Also, we don't have any SIM card on this phone as well. So you can also see the fast charging indicator down below. So now I will see you at 1 hour exact 60 minutes. So let's see how much this phone is charged overall in the 60 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 1 hour exact 60 minutes. So now check out battery percentage on the A04. So the battery percentage, it is at 51%. So this phone is charged only 51% in 60 minutes of battery charging. So now I will see you at 1 hour and 30 minutes. Again, the battery charging speed, it is very slow. At least we should have a 25 watt fast charging with this phone, but we are getting a 15 watt, which is a really disappointing thing because this phone is taking a lot of time. 1 hour and 30 minutes is complete. Another time it is 1 hour and 32 minutes. So now let's see the battery percentage. So the battery percentage, it is at 78%. So this phone is charged 78% in 92 minutes of battery charging. So now I will see you when my A04 is gonna hit 100% fully charged, or I will see you at 2 hours. Okay guys, and 2 hours is complete. So now let's see battery percentage on the A04. So the battery percentage, it is at 93%. So this phone is charged 93% only in 2 hours. So you can see this phone is taking a lot of time to charge. So now I will see you when my A04 is gonna hit 100% fully charged. Let's see how much time is required after 2 hours. Okay guys, I'm back, and my Samsung Galaxy A04 is hit 100% fully charged, as you can see, in 2 hours and 27 minutes. So this phone is take a lot of time from 90% to 100%. So very disappointing to see that this phone did that. So all I have to say regarding the battery charging speed of the Samsung Galaxy A04, so this phone is perform, I would say, really average in the first 30 to 50 minutes. After that, and the battery charging, it is much slower as compared to before. This phone is take over 2 hours. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this. and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.